Hi everyone, just coming on, I'm doing a birthday card for the birthday club actually. It will be late as per usual. I do have quite a few made up but decided to make one fresh. So this is just a matten layer and I have cut it at 13 by 13 centimetres. No idea what that is in inches because my board's in centimetres. And it's just enough to give this a small white border. I have then cut this one down, and this has been cut at just under 12.5 centimetres. These were all papers that were in my scrap drawer. As I said, I promised myself I'm going to use as much as possible from it. What way do I want it to open? I think we'll go for it this way, just for a wee change. Square enough. And then I'm going to put that on with dimensionals. In fact, I've got some here, I think. Where would it have? Some up here. Oh, there, there. And what I'm going to do is I've slightly curved it. And what I'm going to do is in here, and in there, I will add a double layer of dimensionals, and at the sides here I will just add one. And it's just to try and give it a tiny wee bit more of a lift. The only thing with this first sketch is it's really thin. So I'm having to cut the dimensionals right down so they fit in it. Okay. Oops. Got dropsies today as well. It's going to show a wee bit. No, that's better. Too thin bit. As I said, I'm going to try and be quite diverse on my channel now and show you the variety of my crafting and not just my mixed media stuff. Because I do card making, jewellery, fabric work. I do quite a lot of different things, but I tend to only show a lot of the mixed media stuff or my altered stuff. So I'm going to try and come on and do more like this. I'll put that one there. And as you'll see, I'm just doubling this one up so that when it goes on the page, the centre part will be more raised than the side parts. And as I said, it is just to add the dimension to it. And I was sent these as, I'm pretty certain it was Sandy who is Barman Ann, but I could be wrong. Sandy sent me a load of stuff with her challenge entry, which I still have to send you a thing out. sandy, but I will be doing it shortly. Now that I've kind of got myself together again. And this is just... I love these dimensionals, they're sticks too. Some dimensionals, when you use them, they are absolutely rubbish. They just don't last. But these ones are really good. They're really sticky. I have tried loads of different ones, and these are the ones that I've found the best so far. And I'm hoping that this will be, after it's been used as a busty, they could use this as an art piece. I think I'll put it off centre because I want to add a sentiment up here. And as you'll see, there is that curve in it now. And that's what I wanted. I have opened the door slightly. And again, that's just for to add the dimension to it. So, sentiment. Oops, that's not, it's not straight. I'm just going to get a sentiment for it. Female birthday sentiments. Come right round to you actually so you can see it. This is how I store my sentiments. I've got female birthday sentiments, male birthday sentiments, thank you and best wishes in one, and it's just, it helps when I'm looking for something to know I'm looking in the right place. Max is jumping at my wall now because I've got the plastics reflecting off my wall. He's a bit of a crazy dog, he likes shadows and chases him something crazy. Happy birthday. Those golds don't match. And that'll not be going on. If I don't find one that matches, I will do one myself. I just prefer to check this first, because I do have a load in here in various colours. So I usually can find something. Happy birthday. That's alright, I suppose. A bit too cheesy. Don't look better. Yep, that's it. Yeah, that's the one. And what I'll do is, where they've got the wee diamantes, I will add gold diamantes to that. It's been used before, so it's being reused. a lot of the cards that my family and friends have sent, they pass along to me because they know I will use the images, or I'll just revamp them, cut all my cards down and put them all in their wee separate boxes, because I know they'll not go wrong. And I will put that on that way, making sure I've kind of got it centred. Yep, that's fine for me. And I'll just get my gold gems. Gemstones. Where are you? Yep. As always. Whoops. Flash in place. It's not bad, 11 minutes, I should be done in time, hopefully. I'm challenging myself to keep everything under the 20 minutes just now, because I feel as if there's so many videos online that me taking up 30 minutes, half an hour, 40 minutes, it's too long. Right, where's my... This will do fine. These aren't perfect match, but they're close enough. That's the more size. That's better. Yep, much better. There was part there and the similar colours. No. Right. Now, I don't have... Oh, no, put that there. I don't have a bird that's going to fit in there. So, my thought is maybe a few feathers, just to make it look like there has been a bird in there at some point. Oops. My craft room floor is going to look like a bird's been murdered. There's a black one. Put that maybe like that. As I said, but being a bird cage, you can't have it without a bird. But I don't have one, so next best thing. And I don't want to add too much gluey products, so I'm going to see if I've got a glue dot for this. In my drawer. someone's been in my drawers. So I'll just need a wee bit of double-sided tape. But just fine. Won't make any difference. I'll just double it over on itself and just peel back one of the sides. This is supposed to be the finger lift tape, but never really works that way. Peel it back, and then what I'll do is just add one that way. Oops, got a bit of something there. One a wee bit over it, so they're kinda off centre of each other. Fold tape over the top of it. Fold it back behind it, so it's quite neat. And then I'm going to add it down below the bird cage, where my one-dimensional is, so it shouldn't really show. And because of the depth of it, it should be fine. And I'm just positioning it with my knife because it is quite a neat placement. And then all you need to do is just move them slightly to where you actually want them to be. And then just position them down. And I would say that's us basically done. I think I might actually add a few wee gemstones onto the thing, maybe we've got a few minutes left. This one I used, so I think I'll add one down here, one down here, and add one up there, and finally the last one up at the top. And that's it, done. So that's a decent card done in 20 minutes. And that's obviously cutting my papers down as well. Paper line I have used is first edition, and it's Chic Noir or Noir Chic. I have used it before when I made my mini album that went to Donna, UK Dolly D. So go ahead and try it. Don't be scared to try something with cards. Your friends will appreciate homemade stuff. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wee go. Speak to you all soon. Bye for now.